Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to add some sparkle? I'll show you how to create glitter text in Canva. Click Create, then choose Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels as the dimensions for this tutorial to proceed. Open Elements and search for the glitter effect to add to your project. Select one option. For this tutorial, choose this one. Next, proceed to select the apps you want to include in your setup before moving forward with the process. Open the app and locate the font print feature. Select it to activate. Now, type your text in the provided area to see the font applied instantly on the screen. Type Survival and select the corresponding image that appears. Click on the image to highlight it, then choose the Select Image option. Now, proceed to add this image to your project by clicking the appropriate button or menu item to include it in your workspace. Here is the final design. Next, locate and click the Twitter icon. After that, click the back button to return to the previous screen and continue with your project. This completes this step of the tutorial. Set this image as your background by selecting it and applying the background image option in the settings menu. Click the size option to choose the best quality. Then, click Share and select Download to save your file. Now you know how to create a glitter text effect in Canva Typography. Drop a like and subscribe for more cool design tips.